A tenant sends you this: a hole in the wall, no tape measure, and a quarter taped beside it. That little detail turns a vague repair photo into a useful first measurement. A US quarter is 0.955 inches across. In Takeoff, I load the photo, use about 0.08 feet for both reference lengths, and pick the coin's edges. I calibrate horizontally and vertically because a phone photo can distort one direction more than the other. Now I can measure the visible opening. Here, it is about 2.9 inches wide and 3.4 inches high. That is enough to triage the repair, ask a better follow-up question, and send the right person with a more sensible patch plan. There is an important limit. One photo is not a finished bid. Camera angle, the reference sitting on a different plane, and hidden conditions behind the drywall can all move the answer. Keep the camera as square as you can. Put the reference flat on the same surface as the damage. Use a rigid object whose size you actually know. Then verify the job in the field before pricing, ordering, or contracting. This works for tenant photos, inspection reports, punch lists, and maintenance tickets. A ruler is better. A quarter works because its size is fixed. A lighter can work too, but only if you measured that exact lighter first. Lighters are not a standard size. Takeoff keeps the photo, scale, measurement, label, and review note together, so the next person is not guessing what the number means. Construction takeoff and estimating software for Windows. $79 once, no subscription.